Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox Xbox Series X 1TB. It is 4K at 120 frames per second, which is much better than the previous model. Let's take a look at the box. This one has a car over here. Some others have this guy in the helmet, okay? But this is the same thing, doesn't matter, same thing. Here we can see some specs. This one has this sticker, says back room only, which means you get it from the back room. You persuade a target worker to sell it to you. They're supposed to sell it with some subscription, but you can like sweet talk someone and get it like without any additional charges and subscriptions. And then I'm gonna be the same, because they have some in the back room. They don't put it on the front, okay? It's like a secret how to get more of them. Comes with 4 seals, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can open it. Put this on the side for now. Let's see what else is in the box. Nothing. And over here we have this power HDMI. Manual here. Wireless controller. Batteries here. Okay, nothing else in there. This is the console. Power your dreams. It's pretty heavy actually. And here is the console. You can put disc in here. Ready? Is that how it works? Okay, stands like this, I guess, right? Or like that. Like this. Okay, this is the way. There's some kind of ventilator in there. Right? So disc in here. Take out disc, USB. Power. Okay. We'll have the serial number there. Oh, it's pretty heavy. Let's see, it has storage expansion, internet, 2 USBs, HDMI. So that's the Xbox. Now you can go power your dreams. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.